Guys, I am Tarun. I am back in another video lecture. This is all about the MATPLOTLIB, the module. This is the visualization of graphs, like a visualization of data sets in the form of graph or bar charts and pie charts, etc. Let's we move on to the topic. First, we need to install the pip install the matplotlib library in your terminal, and we import the matplotlib as pyplot as plt is the mandatory thing. And we created one data set and just run it. And if you want to plot anything, just simply give plt dot plot plot the given data, created data. It will give the line chart like this, like 2 comma 1 and 1.5, 2 comma something. The values can be plotted. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5 can be plotted. And we also give that title for this chart as plt dot title as line chart. And just a minute, these are all the things in line chart. And we need to create a bar chart. Just a minute, it will contain some sort of errors. And these are all the specification in line chart. We give the title as line chart, and grid is known as lines containing separating the graph. That is known as grid. Visible equal to true, and given the x label as x-axis and y label as y-axis. Now the name does not carries, the title also does not carries. Without running this code, the plot equal to xy color equal to red. And we also give the color and the solid color, and it containing the solid line, and marker it as 0. Just a minute, I will run it as, just copy it and erase it now. And if you want, just a minute, I will run the code. Where it is? Grid lines are specified, and x-axis as x-axis and the y-axis as y-axis, and the topic as line chart. And we also give the color for the line, simple, like color equal to, just we want black color, black. And we also give the line style as we give this type of operators, slash dot. I will give the underscore dot, and this marker as I want this types of star. And let us run this code. Just a minute, it will take some time. Just a minute, it led to an error. It shows it is an invalid syntax. I will give like slash dot and enter it again. It will show it is in black color. The marker, it is shown in the stars like structure, and the lines are in slash dot line style. This is all about the line chart. And let's we move on. And also we fix the x limit and the y limits. Just a minute, I will show you. It shows the line color and the object as this types of data will be plotted. And we also set up the x limit and the y limit. just like we want 0 to 20 of y-axis, and 0 to 10 of x-axis, and 0 to 20 of y-axis. Just we want to enter plt dot xlim of xlim of 0 to 8, uh, just for practices, and I concluded the y limit of 0 to 15. Let us run this code. It will give it as 0 to 15 as 0 to 14, 15 minus 1, and 0 to 8 as 0 to 8, shown in the graph. And we have another specifications, like if you all time we have some sort of errors, it can be rectified by. I'm back. This type of errors can be errors, or nothing instruction can be given all the time. It can be removed by simply giving plt dot show. Just a minute, it will remove now. And the next thing is the same thing. X as line chart, and the y label, x label, and the grid equal to true. We also give the visible, not to give the visible, it will also give the grid lines. It is just for beginners. And we have another function called subplot. Subplot creates the plt dot subplot of subplot. I want to two plots. Just run this code. It led to an error, and it will run now. And it created the two types of subplots. And if you want to access it, just create a fig comma axis equals to plt dot subplot, and axis of 1, axis of 0, where it is, axis of 0 dot plot of we given as year cross sales, and axis of 1 year cross profit as bar chart or line chart. Any chart can be plotted. If you want bar chart, is just specify dot bar. And let us run this code. Here is not specified. Just a minute. I run this code, and it has some sort of spelling mistakes, years, and this is also years. And the scattered the just line plot will be plotted, and the bar chart is also let to be plotted. And let's we move on to the scattered plot. Scattered plot is also known as the dotted lines of the line chart. It is like it gives the marker works. It does not join the lines. That's all. And we have another function. We also set up the title for 2023, and we also set up the axis title as 2024. Just a minute, I will show it to you. If you want the axis 1, axis 0 as dot title as bar line chart, and the axis 2 as bar chart, axis axis 0 as line chart, and axis 1 as bar chart. Let us run this code. It will show an text capable error. The keyword for the title is set title only for this subplot. This is the keyword to set the title, and let us run this code. It will shows the line chart as well as the bar chart. And this is all about the line chart and bar chart and scatter plot. Subplot is used to create the multiple graphs in a single sheet. Uh, a single sheet. And we created the category as x-axis and the values as y-axis. Let us assume the plt dot bar of categories in x-axis, and the height denoted the y-axis as values, and the color equal to red, blue, green and black. Because the it containing four characters, I will give the four types of colors. Only black colors, we need to give the full addition of full text of the black, black. If you want red color, only type the R letter of it. If you want blue color, if type B. And if you want green color, just type G. And if you want yellow color, as Y. And let us run this code. It shows red, blue and green and black. It does not consider this B as black. And if you want to save this file, just give save plt.save fig of bar22.png. I will show it as bar of slash 55.png. It will save it here. It will show I will show it to you. The bar 55 of png will save here, save in the in those folder. And this is also known as the bar chart of categories and values of colors. And if you want a study of many types of charts, I will provide the link to you. You will utilize it. It containing plot chart, scatter chart, bar chart, stream chart. There are it containing many types of chart in matplotlib. It also containing the 3D module, 3D volumetric data also. They will give the code to you want just to copy the code and use it. I will use it now. It will give the exact result of it. Just a minute, I will show it to you. Let us run this code. It will give you the exact result of it. You can utilize it. And we need to specify the histogram charts. Histogram is the used to analyze the big data, and it having another function called bins. Bins is used to specify their like classify their types. And bins are also user in bins are also specified by age color. Just a minute, I will erase it. It will shows like this. It does not shows how many bins are there, so we need to specify the edge color of it. Edge color as a keyword, edge color equal to black and the inner color equal to red. It will shows like this. And the scatter plot is the normal thing we discussed already about in the before seconds. Scatter plot. And the new thing is the pie chart. Pie chart specifies the size and the label. We created the size and the label as a data set, and the plt.py gives the size and the label as labels, and auto pct 1.1 of f percentage. It will give the 35.0 percentage. If you want, don't need to the decimal point, just use 1.0 percentage, 1.0 f percentage as a auto PCT, and the color as gold yellow and gold green and light coral and light sky blue, and title as pie chart plt.show. If you run it, it will looks like it. If you want to save this file, the same thing, the plt dot save fig of double quotes, double quotes, like pie of pie chart like png. Just run this code, it will show here pie chart of png. It's saved in png format. And this is the data. And next we want to move on to the box plot. Box plot is used to specify the mean median of the data. This is the data and the box plot of data, and the title and the box plot y-axis as values plt.show. This is the lowest value of the data, and this is the highest value of the data. This is the median of the data, is the uppermost level, and this is also known as lowermost level. Is this is the first level, and this is the third level. The second level is known as the mean level of the data. And next we move on to the heat map. Just we created the random numbers from a random function in numpy, and we use the data equal to numpy dot random. The im shows gives the heat map. Use the data and heat map equal to hot. We want any type of theme like cold, it will give the cold theme of it. Just a minute. Cold is not specified. Warm. Just a try. We give it as hot. Manga. Many types of data are there, like manga. And interpretation is nearest. And the next thing is violent data. Violent data shows the distribution of from zeroth values. The distribution is greater, it can be specified. And the quicker plot is used for the vector directions. Vector directions specify the vector directions. That's all. Stock plot is used to stock the data like this order. We need to specify the stock data and days apples, banana and oranges, and label it as a label as apple, banana and orange. Colors equal to red, yellow and orange, and give the title as stock plot example, and X label as days, and Y label as fruits, and legend is used to specify this column. If you want in upper right, you need to change it left to right, and run this code. It will change like this, and that's all. And this having another function called annotation. Annotation is used for the just specify the peak point and the xy axis of 3 comma 5 as the peak point, and the xy text as 3 comma 6, the peak point text as shown here. And arrow pops equal to direction black, and the shrinkage equal to 0.01 for all. If you want this point, you will specify 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0 as the value, 4 comma 7, sorry, 4 comma 7 as the value, and let us run this code. It will specify like this. And that's all about this Matplotlib lecture. If you want any doubts, just comment below. If you have any queries, just contact. The mail is given in the description, and the material is also given. Work on it and be productive. Bye bye.